when every move, every sighting of Ukrainian soldiers begged the question, is this the moment? We found soldiers taking cover next to the river.
Watch.
Explosions and gunfire, a face-off across the bridge. We're next to the commander, who breaks from firing bullets to whisper me a warning. Sniper, he says. Ukrainian troops backed away, Russian soldiers in the distance. The commander moves forward, closer to the riverbank, as everyone else is told to leave. It's clear that the Russian military have now reached the capital, and people who live close to this spot are leaving while they can. On the outskirts of the city, a volunteer army gathers with weapons, waiting for orders.
Well, I'm here in order to protect my family, my country, and my region where I live. My people.
When do you expect Russians to be in the middle, in the center of Kyiv?
Never.
Never. Further along the road into Kyiv, what happened here earlier is being seen as a warning about the people who intend to take this city. The swerving military vehicle is Russian, and it appears to deliberately strike a car driven by an elderly civilian. He was rescued and survived. According to Ukrainian officials, 3 Russian soldiers were killed in the firefight that followed. And so the queues are growing. Men volunteering to fight. These are some of the thousands who came to collect their weapons today, wondering whether they will use them, and if so, when. Rohit Katru, News at 10, Kyiv.